Hello students, in this lesson we will discuss about amines, and here in this video we will see the chemical reactions of amines. So first of all we will see the reaction of amines with transition metal ions. Here are the reactions. You can see CH3NH2, that is the amine, when reacts with AgCl, that is silver chloride, then it will form the complex compound. Similarly, when amines reacts with CuSO4, that is copper sulfate, then also it will form the complex compound. So we can say that when amines react with transition metal ions, they will form complex compound. Now we will see the reaction of amines with alkyl halides. So primary and secondary amines reacts with alkyl halides and form tertiary amines. Here's the reaction. You can see RNH2, that is the primary amine, when react with RX, that is alkyl halide. Then after removing HX, that is hydrogen halide, the reaction will yield R2NH, that is secondary amine. And similarly, this secondary amine, when react with alkyl halide, then it will form tertiary amine, R3N. And further, it will convert to quaternary ammonium salt. The aromatic amines also undergoes similar reaction. Here's the reaction. You can see this is an aromatic amine, aniline. When this aromatic amine reacts with alkyl halide, CH3I, that is methyl iodide, then after heating, the reaction will yield N-methyl aniline, which on further heating with alkyl halide will give N-dimethyl aniline, which when again react with alkyl halide, then will form the trimethyl anilinium iodide, that is the quaternary ammonium salt. So you can see how an aromatic primary amine on reaction with alkyl halide will get convert first to secondary amine and then to tertiary amine, and then it will convert to the quaternary salt. Now we will see the acylation reaction, that is the reaction of amines with acid chlorides and acid anhydrides. Aliphatic and aromatic primary and secondary amines reacts with acid chlorides, acid anhydrides and esters to form substituted amides. Here are the reactions. You can see RNH2, that is the primary aliphatic amine, when react with RCOCl, that is the acid chloride, then the reaction will yield RNHCOR, that is the substituted amide, and as a byproduct you will get HCl. Similarly, RNHR, that is the secondary amine, when react with acid chloride RCOCl, then it will also form a substituted amide. And here is the reaction for aromatic amines. So you can see aniline, that is the aromatic primary amine, when react with CH3COCl, that is acid chloride, then in presence of base pyridine, it will form substituted amide. And here also you can see when aniline reacts with C6H5COCl, that is also an acid chloride, but it is the benzoyl chloride. So when these both reacts in presence of aqueous NaOH, then the reaction will yield substituted amides of aromatic ring. Now we will see the benzolation reaction. Aliphatic and aromatic amines reacts with benzoyl chloride in presence of a base such as pyridine or aqueous NaOH to form benzoyl derivatives. Here are the reactions. You can see CH3NH2, that is a primary amine, when react with C6H5COCl, that is benzoyl chloride, in presence of aqueous NaOH, then it will form CH3NHCOC6H5, that is the benzoyl derivative. Similarly, you can see the reaction for aromatic amine. This is aniline, that is the aromatic amine, when reacts with benzoyl chloride, then it will also form benzoyl derivative. Now we will see Schiff's base formation, or we can say the reaction of amines with aldehydes and ketones. So both aliphatic and aromatic primary amines reacts with aldehydes and ketones to form imines called Schiff's base or anyls. You can see here, this is the ketone, and when it reacts with RNH2, that is an aliphatic primary amine, then the reaction will yield Schiff's base, or we can say imines.